Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 12th July 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have to become true Vaishnavas. Together with taking precautions with their diet, true Vaishnavas also remain pure. Question: by transforming which weakness into a virtue can your boat go across? Answer: attachment is the biggest weakness. Because of attachment, the remembrance of relatives troubles you. There is the example of a monkey. When a relative dies, they continue to remember him for 12 months. They cover their faces and continue to weep because they constantly remember him. If you were harassed by remembrance of the father, and you remembered him day and night in the same way, your boat would go across. It would be a great fortune for you to remember the father in the same way as you remember your physical relatives. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. The Father uplifts those who defame him. Therefore, follow the Father. When someone says anything, listen but do not listen. Simply continue to smile. Only listen to the one Father. Number 2. Become bestowers of happiness and give happiness to everyone. Don't fight or quarrel amongst yourselves. Become wise and fill your aprons with the imperishable jewels of this knowledge. Blessing for today. May you become a constantly powerful soul by going to the bottom of the ocean and attaining the jewels of experience. Details are: in order to become a powerful soul, practice every speciality, every power and every main point of this knowledge in yoga. No type of obstacle can stay in front of a soul who practices everything and who is lost in love. Therefore, sit in your laboratory of practice. Until now, you have only been skimming the surface of the ocean of this knowledge, the ocean of virtues and the ocean of powers. Now, go to the bottom of the ocean and you will receive many types of unique jewels of experience and become a powerful soul. Slogan is: impurity invokes evil spirits of vice, and so make even your thoughts become pure. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. Brahma especially invoked you children with elevated thoughts, that is, he created the creation, and this creation through thoughts was not a small thing. The elevated powerful thoughts inspired and brought close the souls out from behind the curtains of the different religions. In the same way, you children also have to have elevated and powerful thoughts. Do not use the power of your thoughts too much. Do not waste it. By having elevated thoughts, your attainment will also be elevated.